Assalamualaikum. This is Sali and come back to make another video. Good morning to all of you, my dear friends. Good morning from THC. Good morning from Shahbag. Good morning from Sharukala. And good morning from Shahbag, Dhaka. We are ready to celebrate New Bangla year 1432. 1432 বাংলাকে স্বাগত জানার জন্য আমরা কিন্তু প্রস্তুত। Many people, boys, girls from everyone, they come here and join to rally, the biggest rally of the Bangladesh historical rally will be held today. It is the first day of Bangla New Year 1432. Thank you for watching my another video. See, my dear friends, many people, young and old, everyone has come here to attend the event.